My dear student, today I am going to discuss the exercise 12A. Okay, let's go. It's about the graph. Okay, so in the graph there are two parts. First part is that you have to find out the point, and second part is that you have to plot the point. Okay, so coordinate of point or location of a point by xy plane, and xy plane is made by the number line. So first uh, we have to learn coordinate of point, and coordinate of point, that means location of a point by xy plane, and xy plane is made by the number line. That's why uh, first of all we will learn the number line. Number line is a one kind of line, and where some numbers are given, so that middle number will be 0 and the right side number will be increased by 1, and all will be positive values, and the left side number in the decrease by 1, that means increase by -1, and all will be the negative values. Okay, this is the number line. There are two numbers line. So if we keep two number lines like that, one number will be horizontal, another number will be vertical, then they made a rectangular or Cartesian plane or xy plane. And by rectangular or Cartesian or xy plane, we can say the coordinate of a point. Okay, so coordinate of a point always will be located, will be denoted with respect to the xy plane. It's called rectangular, Cartesian is called the xy plane. Here you can see that the horizontal line is called the x-axis, x values, and the vertical line is called the y values or the y-axis. Okay, and this is the meeting point. Vertical line and the horizontal line meeting point is the 0 point, 0 0. It's called the origin or center, and you have to start from here. Okay, so all values, the horizontal, that means the left side or right side values will be the x value, and the up and down values will be the y value. Okay, or the y coordinate, just here easily to understand the y value. So let's go. What is point? In xy plane, point has two values, that means horizontal value and the vertical value, the y value. Okay, always every point has two direction or two values or two dimension, horizontal value and the x value. So if p a point, then p can be written as p bracket x value and y value. Suppose the point is 2 3, so p bracket 2 comma 3. So let's go. It's the discussion. Find the coordinate or position of a point. Okay, here the point will be given. So now we are going to solve these things. Okay, look, whenever any graph will be given, first of all you have to make it xy plane or the rectangular plane. Like you have to take the one number line in the horizontal, another number line will be the vertical, like this. You have to make it. Only this graph will be given. Okay, then you have to write like this. Here 2x, that means this is the positive x, right hand side negative x, the upper one the positive y, the all positive value will be there, the all negative value will be there. 1 2 3, this is only the numbering. Okay, now a point is given, p point. Now you have to locate what is the coordinate of a point p. Coordinate means the x value comma y value. Okay, that is the along x-axis. The horizontal line is called the x-axis, the vertical line is called the y-axis. Along the x-axis, how many value of p. Okay, similarly the p has the y value along the y-axis. you have to locate. So now for that, just you understood very nicely if I show you that how to measure it. So look, to go for the P point, and always you have to start from this center point. Here you can see that always you have to start from here, and if you start from there, then you have to go first of all you have to count the x-axis. Here it is right side, so go through the right side horizontal 1 2 3. So to get this point, now we have to start and we have to go the upper. Okay, so now the x value is the 3. So now 1 2 3 4. So we can see that the y value is the 4. Again I am saying you have to start this the center, that means 0 point. So go through the right side, because right side the point is given 1 2 3, that means 3, the x value is 3. Now go for the upper 1 1 2 3 4, 4 point. That's why the point of this value will be 3 comma 4. P is a point, the x value is 3 and y value is 4. And you can ask me, sir, why I'm not going 4? Because if I go through 4 and up, and if we stop here and go the upper one, we cannot get the P. That's why we have to stop here 4 3, then go for the 4. And always you have to count the x value first, then go for the minus value, y value. Okay, and if it is plus x, then go right side. If the minus x, then go left side. Okay, now I'm giving you the another maths for your making understand the Q. Now tell me, what will be the coordinate or position? Coordinate means position, x value and y value of Q. So here this is the right side. Okay, so go through this 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, and after coming to 5 we have to go down, because in the down is the Q point. So and 1 2 3 4. So we can see that the coordinate of the Q will be 5 comma 5, x value 5 and y value will be minus 4. So y value may be upper or may be down. Always will be vertical. Vertical means you know that either upper or down. Okay, be careful. Again, the first of all you have to go for the x-axis or x value. So x value is 5. Okay, x value is 5, then we have to go for the y value. So to get this point, now we have to stop at 5 and then come down, and after 4 value we got the Q, and Q is the down. For down it will be minus, or for left side it will be minus, left side, and down it will be minus. Okay, let's go for the another things. What will be the coordinate? Coordinate means position or location of R. So here you can see that R is here. Okay, so first of all you have to start the counting here. So 0 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So after coming here we can see that no y value, that means totally point is given here. So okay, so that's why the coordinate of R will be no, actually the coordinate of R will be 0 minus 3. Why 0 minus 3? Because of no x value is given. Okay, no x value is given, 0. No x value, only 3. Only 3 here, and it's a vertical. That means it will be only y, and it's down. That's why minus y. So minus 3. This value will be minus 3, and no x value. It is located on only the center. That means no x value is given here. You can see that no x value is given. Okay, so although directly we have to go for the y value. no x value. Okay, now again I am telling the another things here. Look at the number s, the point s here, 1 2 3 4 5, and the 5 is the x value, and go upper 1 2 3 4 5, and here the s will be both are 5 5 and 5. Okay, actually both will be 5 5 and 5, just the s will be plus 5. Okay, no problem. Just I am showing you again that the s will be, listen, it is coming back because left side, so we have to go through this x-axis. This is the minus x, minus value, so -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 value, and go to this line to the upper, and 1 2 3 4 5, so and is the upper means plus value. Okay, and look at the number line, the all plus value are in the upper, so no problem. So s -5 and 5. Why -5? Because we had to come the left side, that's why -5 here. Left side and downside always will be minus, so -5 and 5. So thus you can find out the coordinate of a point or location of a point. That was only the discussion. Now go for the exercise 12a number 1. Okay, 12a number 1, just here you can see that the a point is given. Look at the down, the a point is given, and we have to find out the coordinate of a. So first counting the x value, 1 2 3 4, so 4 will be the x value. Okay, so now come down 1, and here we can see that the 6, so that's why the coordinate of a will be -4 and -6. If the both are down, that's why it will be -4 and -6. Got it? Just it will -4 and -6. Understand? Because the left side, first of all, for going to this point, we have to count the back. So here 1 2 3 4 5, this is the -4, and now coming down, down means minus. Okay, you can see by seeing the number line is the -6, so the point a point will be -4 comma -6. Now tell me the what will be the point of b, or coordinate of point b. So for it's the left side, situated in the left side, so no problem. 1 2, first -2 will be the x value, then it's the upper one, 1 2 3 4 5. That's why the b coordinate will be -2 5. The x value will be -2 and y value will be 5. Why minus? Because it's going to left side. Okay, this is given in the left hand side, from the center in the left hand side, and if the right hand side, that will be plus. Now let's do for the point C. Okay, you can see that the point C. So now start counting from the 0 point, and now we can see the 1, and after going 1, the point is given already, that means the y value is 0, so it will be 1 comma 0. Okay, it will be 1 comma 0. Listen very carefully. The last one, the number d. Okay, the number d is given, and look is the right side of the center. That means, so we have to go through the right side of the x-axis or horizontal line or x value. So here you can see the 6 will be the x value, and it's also the upper, go for the upper, so both will be the plus. So answer will be 6 and 5. 6, and we have to go upper for 5, so answer will be 6 and 5. Understand? Now the last point is E. we have to find. Now try yourself. Look, here is the right side from the center. So 1 2. Okay, now come down and 3. So answer will be 2 minus 3, 2 comma minus 3. That means x value is the plus 2, but it has been down. That's why y value will be minus 3. So thus you can find out the coordinate of a point. Okay, and the 2 will be your homework. I hope that you understood. Just explain y point. So now I'm going to solve the how to plot the point. Plot point means uh, in your previous maths you did the things that how to pick up the point or how to look at the point. Okay, so now you have to know and you have to find out the point will be given and you have to put it or you have to plot it. Plot it means you have to plot it, put it. Okay, so let's go. The first point is given a to 5. That means x value will be a and y value will be 5. Okay, so first you have to go x, then go for the y, and you have to give the point sign after putting the value of y. So no problem. So we know that first value is the x value of horizontal value. So first value given 2 and it's the plus, so we have to go for the right side. So 1 2. Okay, fine. And coming at 2, then we have to think that what is the y value. Y value is the plus 5. Only 5 means plus 5. Plus means upper. Okay, so go for the upper. 1 2 3 4 5. That's why the point will be like this, a. Okay, the point of a like this, the a point 2 5, 2 comma 5. Understand? Again, the first is the x value, so go along the x-axis for 2 value. Okay, so we came here and the y second value will be the y value and it is given plus. That's why we have to go for the upper. So let's go for the upper. Then we got 5 here, and finally after putting the value of y, then we have to put or we have to fix up the point sign. Okay, so it will be the a point. Now go for the b, 1 2. That means x value is plus 1, right side 1, and y value is plus 2. That means upper 2. So go. Yes, it is the 1 and the 2. That means plus 2, upper 2. Now the third one, c, minus 3 minus 1. X value is minus 3. That means left hand side and down side always will be the minus. Okay, so first go for the left hand side, 1 2 3. That means minus 3. Then look at the second number, minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 will be the down. It is given upper, but minus 1 will be down. Yes, minus 1 will be down. So that's why the answer of C, the point of C will be located plot like this. Just yes, is the minus 3 and minus 1. That means the down one. So thus you have to plot the point. Okay, plotting point is very important. If you cannot do how to plot point nicely, then you cannot draw the graph, okay, of a line. Then now we are going to the next maths. Is the next maths means the d. D is the 6 comma minus 2. 6 comma minus 2. So go for the 6 first. It is given b, just it will be d. 6 comma minus 2. Just you can write it down. It will be given b. Listen very carefully. Mistakenly it is given b, but it will be dhaka for d. Okay, 6 comma minus 2, then 6 here, x value plus 6, right side minus 2, that means down. Okay, very easy things. And go for the number E, the 3 comma minus 2, 3 will be the right side, that means right side, then from after coming 3 points, then come to the minus 2, that means down. Okay, the last one, number F, minus 1 minus 2 minus x, that means left side, left hand side from the center with the x-axis, and minus 2, that means alone. So here minus 1 is here and minus 2. So I hope that you understood. So if you don't understand, watch it again and again, then you will understand. Okay, and your number 4 will be the same maths, will be homework. Now the main point and the real maths, I should say. So here you have to plot the points and join them. You have to join them and identify the geometrical shape. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, we will make the xy plane, that means like that. The graph will be given and you have to do like that. Okay, listen very carefully. You have to, the graph will be given like that. You have to make two lines with dark and give the line marks. After that, then you have to plot the point 6 4, that means put the point minus 6 4 minus 6 comma minus 4 and 6 comma minus 4. So here the name of a point is not given, but we will use the name. The first one is A, second one is B, and third one is C, and this one is D. Okay, now 6 4 will be A point. So point can be written as like this always with bracket. If you see that 6 any number comma the another number, it will be the point. It has two direction, two dimension, the x value, y value, x distance, y distance, however it is said. Okay, so now let's go. First of all, we have to put the 6 and 4. So go along the 6 point, then the 4. 4 will be the plus, so right side and upper. Okay, and now the minus 6 and 4. Minus 6, that means along the x-axis, go for the left side, minus 6 value, and 4 means upper 4. Okay, so that's why it will be like that. Again, minus 6 minus 4, that's why we have to come the minus, we have to come the like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6 with x-axis. Okay, then go for the down, this one will be here. The last one 6 minus 4, the 6 means plus the right side, it will go right side, and y is minus because it will be down because minus given. Okay, so like this again here why the 6 comma 4 point here I give the name. You can give also name PQRS, no problem, just I give the name. Okay, for joining. So here 6 4, yes, it is correct. The first one is 6, that means along the 6, then 4 y, and second one is minus 6 4, we have to go through the 6, then go for the this one. Okay, and then minus 6 minus 4, minus 6 the left side, minus 4 the down minus, and 6 comma minus 4, and the 6 is the right side and minus 4 1. Now after our plotting work is done, so now we have to go for the join. So join A B C D D A together. So A B, then B C, then C D, then D A, and we joined. Now we can see it's a rectangle. So ABC, the bounded area will be the rectangle. So first of all, we have to plot the point. After plotting, then join and then identify the geometrical shape. Okay. So first we plot, then join, then shape. The very easy maths. Now go for the next maths. Plot the point on a graph and join them. Identify the geometrical shape. The points are given. So let's go. The first point just also will give the name A, B, C, D. So here 0, 5. That means x will be 0 and y will be 5. So first work is we have to for any graph we have to make it like that. Okay, the center will be 0, right side will be 1, 2, 3 plus -1, -2, -3 like that. Okay, so now a point will be here because no value of x is given, so it will be at the center. Now the y value is the +5. That's why it will be the upper 5. So yes, so we can say the a point is here. Now -6, 0. -6, that means it will go for the left side with the x-axis. Okay, left side, and 0 means no y value will be here. That's why at 6 we will give the point, because we do not have to go more because no y value is given here. Now the third point is that 0 comma -5, no x value will be given, has been given. That's why we have to start from here, and it's also the x value. Now -5, that means the down 5. Okay, we got that. Now the last maths, the 6, 0. That's why the point of x is the value of x is 6, go for, and it's a plus, go for the right side after 6 number. Then you have to check the what is the y value. Y value here only 0. That's why that will be our point. Now we have to join them together. Okay, after joining we can see here it's the rhombus. Is the rhombus. Okay, it's the rhombus. Why? Because 4 sides are equal but no right angle. No angle is the right angle. Understand? Right angle, you know that two line joint perpendicularly. Okay, so a very easy things. This will have to be done by yourself. Just and also try yourself. Put the point A, B, C. The first point is called A. Just the name is not given. I am giving the name. First is 0, 0. That's why this center will be this point 0, 0. So it will be the point. The second point will be 0, 8. Here you can see 0, 8, but I gave the name up to 6. That's why it will be more than 6. So 0 and 8. So 0 is the x value, that will be the center point. Then the y value will be the 0 and 8. If it is said 0 and 8, actually it will be the minus value. Actually it will be the minus value. Okay, so no problem. If it is minus value here, so also we can give here minus. Either it is minus or plus, it doesn't matter. You have to go through the actual rules, the logic, then you will get the point. Okay, so again that this is the 0, 0 point. That means this point will be here 0 comma -8. Okay, that's why this point will be like that, 6, then 7, then 8. Just I am giving here the 8 point, and the another is 5, 4. If it is 5, 4, then go through the 5 point with the x-axis, and after that you have to go the upper. Now join the 3 points here, here, here. Now we got a triangle. Okay, what type of triangle? This triangle will be the isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Okay, the very easy things. Then you have to do these maths 5 do yourself. Okay, and also 5 EFG. 5E will be quadrilateral, 5F will be trapezium, and 5G is trapezium also. Try yourself, and check your answer. If you have any problem, do not forget to let me. Okay. So thus we are going to finish our 12A, but we have the some maths here. Vertex of a right angle are A10, B70 and C18. Here you can see that the points name are given, no problem. And now plot the points and hence find the area of triangle ABC. So we know that area of a triangle half into base into height, no problem. First of all, we have to do like that. Okay, then plot the point. The first point is 1 0, that's why it will become here 1 and 0. The second point is 7 0, that's why it will be like that 7 and 0. And the last point is 1 and 8. So up, go through the 1 and the 8 will be upper. Okay, so now join the point. Yes, and it is said that it's a right angle triangle. Okay, and for right angle triangle, the area of a triangle half into base into height. So here the triangle, this one is the height and this one is actually the distance is 8. From here to here, what is the distance? 8. Listen very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, actually it will be the 8 distance. Understand? So now, I have to, that's why we have to find out the value of area of ABC. Now go, area equals half into base into height. Here base, you can see that base will be the what value? In the 7 value will be our base. Okay, and it's the base value, and it's a 1 2, this is the 8 value. Here how many? The upper value is the 8 and down value, the base is the 7, is like that. Okay, upper value is the, and if I do like this way, it will be more good for you. Just okay, so the upper, that means the height is the, or base is the 8, is the 8 value, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the base, that means the base is the 7. So half into base into height, if you do 2 4 the 8, then 28 is square. The area unit is square unit. Okay, any square, 28 and square unit. Thus we can get like this. So we have finished our 12A. Thank you all. Try to understand. Inshallah you will understand. Okay, so Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.